Everybody's talking about gold, $3,000. The rally won't stop. Silver, that's the next big run up. I'm telling you, be careful. Be careful what you wish for. Let's take a look at the charts and let's also talk another commodity that nobody's talking about that looks way hotter for the coming weeks. Let's get into it. Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days, weeks, and month. So, gold and silver. We've been talking about it for a month. We have made a lot of money on the long side in either and in the mining stocks, and we'll make even more money in 2025, but not short term. Okay, everybody is bullish about gold, even more bullish about silver, and we know when everybody is bullish, that's when we should step back. Now let's take a look at the gold chart, and you can clearly see we have hit the upper end of the new long-term uptrend channel. We are clearly overbought. We have a negative divergence in the RSI. I mean, look, you guys know that I love gold as an investment, as an asset, as a trading vehicle, but I'm not a crazy gold bug. I'm a realist. I'm a trader. I'm a swing trader. So I look at all this and I say, gold is going down. Okay? We hit the uptrend channel. We're making lower lows and lower highs today. Let's see if this confirms in the US trading, but so far in Europe and Asia, doesn't look good. Negative RSI, and even more important, let's look at the dollar. This is the Dixie. What do we see? Double bottoming formation. RSI signal in the oversold section still, but we're going up. All right. I told you we're gonna see a consolidation in the dollar around the mid area of the sideways channel that we fell into it. That is absolutely normal. You can see it right here. This is the channel we're back in. You see we always consolidated big moves around the mid-trend area. Here, 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 and now we're doing this as well. We might even get a run up all the way to this area right here, where we're gonna have double resistance. As you can see, let me make, here we go. So, the dollar is clearly gaining strength. Everybody's short the dollar now. So that means the same way we were really easy predicting that the dollar is going down because everybody was long the dollar, nobody was short the dollar, and now we have to reverse. So that means we can predict if we go over 104 in the Dixie on the close, which is pretty much exactly where we are, we are closing out this double bottom formation successfully. We'll get a run up, probably basically gain back this whole bar in the Dixie. If the dollar goes up, that will put pressure on the gold price. So there's another factor why gold will likely go down. Where is the area that gold will go to? Well, the first one we'll see is right here, 2,985-ish. That's the area that we would look for the first support in gold. Now, if gold goes down, silver is going down even more, and it's doing this already, as you can see. In the grand scheme of things, this pullback is completely normal after we broke this resistance zone, which has been a big resistance zone for the past like half year. So that is okay. We could even get a retest of this bigger resistance zone right here. Either way, not great, right? Do we need to be in silver right now if we see this? No. Do we want to take some profits on the gold mining stocks, on the silver mining stocks? Yes. Right? Now, Where is the action then? Well, the action is setting up in the uranium market. I told you about this in the past weeks. Don't tell me you were not prepared. We here at Hot Trades of the Day, we had the turnaround in uranium. And look at the up moves that we've seen in the past 2 days in the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. Fantastic, right? This looks really promising. URA, this looks good. We regained the long-term uptrend. This was extremely important, right? It's starting to look that this sell-off here in March this year will turn out to be a really, really nasty bear trap that washed out all the retail investors, right? If the URA can hold these gains today, then we confirmed that we're back in the uptrend. Now let me show you a uranium stock that I really like. Denison Mines. Why do I like them? Well, let me zoom out and show you. Oh, we're still zooming. Look at this. We're at the lower end of the uptrend that has been in place since 2020. This is a great buying opportunity. We're also supported by this horizontal support zone. And like almost every uranium stock, we broke below it. And now we see this turned out to be a real fake out, a big bad bear flag. This stock looks excellent. This is confirmed uptrend. If we can catch it around 145, that would be a fantastic buying opportunity. Now, it's important to understand not every uranium stock looks like this right now. As a matter of fact, a lot of the big ones don't look great at all. This is completely normal when we see the beginning, and this is what it is so far, of a bearish to bullish reversal. We're not there yet, but by the time we are there and all the charts look good, well, the next 50% upside potential will be gone. So we're looking of the charts of the uranium stocks that look really good right now, that are running. So Denison Mines is the latest one I give to you. Last video, I gave to you ISO Energy. Whoop! Look what this one did. This one came to party. Amazing up move. Right? So this one looks excellent. Is it overbought now? Yeah, absolutely. But you can see what is happening in the uranium sector already in certain stocks. As soon as we break the downtrends, we are up to the races because nobody, absolutely nobody is long uranium and uranium stocks at the moment. And that makes it so interesting. Here's another one, Sky Harbor. Whoop! Look at this, broke the downtrend, gave it to you. Big time run up. Will it consolidate, come back? Yeah, probably. I would suggest this area around 35 Canada dollars. And we're talking again. So, look, we know when everybody's talking about a sector, a bull market, that's when we likely see a short-term top and we need to be careful. Right now we've reached this point at gold and silver. Will the gold price go higher in the rest of 2025? Very likely. Silver, even higher, I think. But very short term, because of the strength of the dollar, we'll see a consolidation. So we need to look where's the next area that's turning that nobody's talking about yet. And that leads us to uranium. So if you like the content, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like button, or leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite uranium stock is, and we'll take a look at it in the next video. Have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.